1. 1960 Dodge D100 Stepside, $6,100 Bellingham, Washington. This 1960 Dodge D100 Stepside pickup is a charming classic truck featuring the Super 225 slant 6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 47,000 miles on the odometer, it offers vintage appeal in its blue exterior. While the truck runs well, the speedometer is non-functional, a common quirk in older vehicles, ideal for enthusiasts looking for a manageable restoration project or a retro daily driver. 2. 1976 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $2,700, Saguaro, Idaho. A rugged and dependable 1976 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale with a 250 cubic inch straight 6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. This rear-wheel drive pickup is mechanically solid with a clean Idaho title. While the body has some rust spots, it's functional for light hauling or as a base for restoration. Functional windshield wipers and gauges add to its practicality, though the horn and radio need attention. 1962 Ford F-150, $5,000, Bakersfield, California. An original family-owned 1962 Ford F-150 with a 292 Y-block motor and manual transmission. With just 50,000 miles, this truck has nostalgic value, but is currently non-running. It's a solid candidate for restoration, offering an authentic mid-century driving experience once refurbished. 4. 1965 Chevrolet C10 Cummins Diesel Swapped, $9,500, Ramona, California. This unique 1965 Chevrolet C10 features a Cummins 4BT diesel engine and a T19 4-speed manual transmission, complemented by a gear bender's overdrive. Registered through 2025 with a salvage title, this truck is a robust and practical option for those seeking a vintage vehicle with modern reliability. Hashnar 5, 1960 Stepside Short Project, $1,995, Vancouver, Washington. A 1960 Stepside pickup with a 1972 Corvette V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Although it's not running and requires engine hookup, this project truck has potential for enthusiasts. Some rust is present, but it's a good start for a restoration or hot rod build. 6. 1971 Ford F-100, $5,000, Stratford, Oklahoma. A classic 1971 Ford F-100 with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. Despite its age, it remains original and functional, offering a good foundation for light use or restoration. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck presents as a solid vintage option. 7. 1978 Toyota pickup, $2,500, Skull Valley, Arizona. This 1978 Toyota pickup is a rare find, featuring a 20R motor, 4-speed manual transmission, and air conditioning. A single-cab long bed model, it has been stored for years and is in need of repairs due to oil contamination in the coolant. Straight body lines and the last year of its body style make it highly collectible. 8. 1975 Ford F-100 4x4, $2,500, West Salem, Oregon. A 1975 Ford F100 4x4 equipped with a Ford 360 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. While functional and drivable, it requires some TLC to shine again. It's a fair option for a restoration project or off-road use. 9. 1977 Chevrolet C10, $7,500, Oakland, California. This 1977 Chevrolet C10 has been well maintained, boasting one of the cleanest bodies among similar models. Powered by a V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it offers power steering and air conditioning. Although it requires current registration, this truck is in good running order and ready for minor updates. 10. 1977 GMC half-ton pickup, $2,700, Redwood City, California. A 1977 GMC half-ton pickup with a rebuilt inline-6 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. While the truck runs well and has a strong engine, the body shows wear and rust, making it ideal for restoration or utility purposes. 11. 1965 Jeep J200 pickup, $7,500, Little Rock, Arkansas. This 1965 Jeep Gladiator J200 is a vintage off-road pickup with an inline-6 engine, manual transmission, and a good transfer case. It retains its original glass and needs a complete restoration. With its unique Kaiser Willys heritage, this Jeep is perfect for collectors or restoration enthusiasts. 12. 1989 Ford F Super Duty, $1,300, Estacada, Oregon. A robust 1989 Ford F Super Duty flatbed with a 7.3 CID diesel V8 engine and automatic transmission. Although the engine runs well, the truck requires a new wiring harness due to rodent damage. With a 12-foot flatbed and a straight axle, it's a great choice for farm or utility use.